everybody, I gonna show you how to draw this beautiful picture. Easy tutorial. Okay, let's follow now. Okay, still with me, Mr. Mulyadi from Indonesia. Let's follow now. Okay, how to draw this? Firstly, you draw two lines. One, the face line, yeah. So, okay, and then mark it here. Okay, and then draw the chin. Yeah. Okay. You have to draw lightly, yeah, with pencil first, and then the hair only like this, yeah, the pony, because I make it simple. Okay. Okay. Now let's draw the neck, and this is the hair like this, yeah. Okay. And then draw the hairstyle like this. If necessary, you can draw the body also, yeah, like this. Okay, this one, the flower here, circle, and then the petal, curve, 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 curve. Okay, let's draw the eyes. The eyes only like this, because this is the simple one, only like this, yeah. The eyebrow first, and then the eyes. Okay, here, the other eyes. Oh, oh. Okay, now I'm so sorry, I a bit itchy because mosquito is here around me. Oh my god. Tomorrow I will bring the mosquito lotion. Okay, the easy nose is only like this, yeah, because this is the easy one. Okay, now the mouth. The mouth is V first for the lip, yeah, here, and then yeah, and mark it, and then join it. Ta-dam, done. Okay, I hope you enjoy. If you want to draw this one, this is my drawing in my other video. I can show you the link, yeah. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello everybody, I gonna show you how to draw this beautiful picture. Easy tutorial. Okay, let's follow now.